You'd like video to be a bigger part of your sales, marketing, or e-learning strategy. But how do you source quality video that will educate and motivate your audience to respond? Hiring a video company is time and cost prohibitive for the amount of video you want to create. Building an in-house studio requires an investment in equipment and creative professionals to shoot and edit the video. Choose any DIY video creation tools and you'll find that they are still designed for those same creative professionals. Get ready to Squiggle. Squiggle is an inexpensive solution that lets you and your team create video content in-house. Squiggle is easy to use and utilizes video best practices. Type, paste, or speak your message, and in minutes you'll have an animated video infused with the science of attention and retention and ready to share. Squiggle. Hear, see, be understood.